One thing that I find a little bit different about this machine compared to my previous machine is that it actually centers the needle as its default setting rather than putting it off to the left edge of the presser foot. And so as a result, there's like almost like a good 1/4 inch of fabric that's like coming out here from the edge of the presser foot. And I'm actually used to there being about, maybe 1/8 of an inch there to get a 5/8 inch seam allowance. So that's something that I am getting used to with this machine. And right now I just have the machine set to a basic straight stitch at its default settings. And one thing I can say about this machine is that it is very smooth and steady. This is sewing at about half speed. And we can hit the thread cutter, raise the presser foot, and there is our stitch. So the next thing that is kind of interesting about the machine, if I bring this over here, is that the all of the common stitches are just a single touch on the keypad. So if I want a zigzag stitch, I just hit 4 on the keypad. I get a zigzag setting, and I can come back and put this down, and it does a nice zigzag stitch for me. One thing that I don't have to do with this machine as compared to my previous machine is that the previous machine would cause quite a lot of vibration for this desktop surface that I'm running it on, and I would actually have to brace the desktop with my, basically I would brace the desktop here with my leg while I was sewing to basically stabilize everything, and I don't have to do that with this machine, which is very, very nice. And another thing that's interesting here, and if I can point it out, is the knee lift. And so this lever is in place right now, and what it does is it allows you to basically raise and lower the presser foot without actually having to use the lever back here. And I expected this to be an electronic mechanism, but as it turns out, it's actually mechanical. Like, I have to basically push a good amount with that lever to get it to automatically raise and lower, which is something, again, that I'm getting used to. But I find that it's interesting. It's something that I will, I'm going to experiment with some more and see just how much I like it. But the purpose of the knee lift is so that you can start sewing, stop with the needle down in the fabric, and then you can use the knee lift, and you can basically keep your hands manipulating the fabric while you do things with the presser foot. And so it's basically, it helps you maneuver the fabric more accurately, and it also is a bit of a time saver. And I can tell you right now, I'm definitely getting used to the thread cutter.